Hey lovelies, my name is Sweets and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited you've decided to stop by. Here at my channel, we dive deep into tutorials that will help you create digital products for either yourself or to be able to sell to others. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned expert, there's something for everyone. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the fun. And if you like what you see, don't hesitate to share with your family or friends. I'm always open to feedback and suggestions, so feel free to drop a comment or reach out and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Thank you for being here and let's jump right in. You'll need to click on GoodNotes, click on the plus sign and click on import. Then you're going to click on where you have your planner. Click on the planner. It's going to import into the documents of GoodNotes, and then you can open it up into GoodNotes, and you have your new digital planner. Here, you want to click on the share icon. You're going to search for the application you want to open this PDF document in. So for now, this is GoodNotes. And then it's going to open directly into GoodNotes, and you want to import as new document. And then here you are, your new planner. Thank you for watching, lovelies. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.